101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program. We call Smart Up Your Life with BPEC. But anyway, before we going to talking about our topic tonight, of course, I want to say hello to BPEC. And hi, guys.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening, Kak.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah,
I'm doing
okay.
pretty good.
Are you feeling cold tonight?
Little bit.
Because tonight is a rainy season, right? Rainy. It will be
Yeah.
rain, of course.
Rain season.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, good.
Alhamdulillah. Anyway, yeah, we will talk about our topic tonight. But before we talk about, of course, our topic, and this topic is a very interesting because I talk about, it sounds like privilege. Many peoples in the world actually have a good status about this special status. We called hak istimewa in bahasa. That's why many peoples like rich peoples, they have a power, they have a talent, they have a money, they have a special food, like Pharaoh and everything about it. That's why when they have generation, of course, the new generation will be get privilege. We call in bahasa
Hak
hak
istimewa.
istimewa. You know what I mean, hak istimewa, right?
Yeah.
The people who get hak istimewa or privilege, it will be easy to get everything they want, right? Include career, include education, traveling the world, and everything. But of course, our topic tonight is privilege and let's talk about it. But before we talk about it, you guys can introduce yourself. Start from you, Mr.
Okay.
Please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. My full name is Abdul Wahid Minta Pamungkas. My nickname is Wahid. I come from Sungguh and I study in University Makassar, English Education Department.
Hi, Wahid.
Hi, Kak.
Okay, next.
Hello, smart listeners. So my name is Muhammad Yusril Abidin. You guys can call me Yusril, and I'm a student of Islamic State University of Makassar.
Hi, Yusril.
Hi.
Okay, could you introducing about BPC itself? What is BPC itself?
Yeah, little information about BPC. BPC is Benteng Penyua English Club that always conducting meeting in Fort Rotterdam because now we already in Fort Rotterdam.
Yep.
So if you want to learn English with us, you can go there, and that's free of charge.
Oh, wow. So you guys can persuade peoples in outside to join.
Yes.
How can they join in BPC?
There is no rule to join. You just
Uh-huh.
come there and then visit and then follow every single items that we conduct.
Okay. So free of charge, right?
Free of charge.
Okay. Okay, you have a tagline, right?
Yes.
BPC?
Wow,
Wow,
bright
bright
and
and
breezy.
Come on, good. Okay, let's talk about topic tonight. Our topic, again, I say again, privilege in bahasa hak istimewa. I start from Yusril while we're waiting our friends to come here, right?
Yes.
In your perspective, in your mind, actually, what is
Privilege.
privilege?
Oh,
in your point of view.
Okay. From my perspective, in my opinion, privilege is like a bonus for someone who has a power.
Bonus.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who has a power and then position in a society, high position, I mean, and then who has money or what you have said, who has a talent. So if they have like generation, they has that thing, privilege. So if someone has privilege, they can be whatever they want. That's the bonus of someone who has privilege. And then for me, actually privilege is we can get this one if you have any effort to be a successful person, and then your generation will be get this thing, privilege. Yeah, that's
So I can underline in your statement about this topic, bonus.
bonus.
How can we say bonus? Okay, move to you, Wahid. In your perspective, what is insight on your mind about this topic?
Privilege. We know about the privilege is the privilege itself that owned by person of group of people, several people that they can be access like the education, career,
Yeah.
or something like that they have like the privilege. Yeah, whatever uh, what they want to be. He just go to like that, and it's clear.
You means it's very easy
Yeah,
to get anything they want because they have privilege.
yeah,
You mean like that, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. What about are you guys really believe? I mean, absolutely that a privilege is exists absolutely. How about the unprivileged? Are they cannot get their dream because they don't have a privilege? Okay, maybe start from you.
Okay, if we talk about this thing,
Yes.
unprivileged,
Uh-huh.
for me, first I want to say that privilege is exists in our environment,
Mhm.
and then also this unprivileged. And then if you ask me about this thing, are they can get their dream, achieve their dream? For me, yeah, of course they can, but they need more effort than what the privileged one has.
Mhm.
So if you are, we can say, if you think that you has a privilege, has not a privilege, you has to make more effort than who has a privilege. Even that's
Exactly.
very hard, but
Yeah.
no, that's the life.
Yeah. Could you give a concrete sample about it?
Yeah, I'm sorry to say that if you like from a poor economy, like low economy
Yeah.
family, so if you want to be someone that in high position, you have to, it's that's the law. We can say that you have to make get or make high effort to achieve what you want to be.
For
Because
example,
that's the
could you
rule.
make a specific like? For example, do you want to be something or like what?
Oh, it's okay. If say
Yeah, you may.
Okay. For example, if you are from the low economy family and you want to be a policeman, for example, just example, and then you don't have the privilege, so you have to follow every single rule with high score, in
Right.
every single selection or
Right.
requirement. That's the fact in our society. But if you have this privilege, even you in a low score, that's because of you have privilege. You can be the one, the policeman.
Yeah, irony, right? Irony. Okay, I move to you, Wahid. What do you think about this is privilege? I mean, is this exists absolutely? How about the people who doesn't have privilege? I mean, in other words, unprivileged.
The people that they don't have like
Yes.
the privilege.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, we know about privilege. Yeah, several people have a privilege. Several people don't have a privilege, but it's not like they cannot be. They want to be like that.
Why? Why? The question.
Because we can look for like the other way to be the what they want to be, their goals like that. Okay. Yeah, we can like how to say that, bersungguh-sungguh. Yeah. Like if we want to continue our study in the.
I mean, you try hard.
Yeah,
You
we
try
have-
hard.
yeah,
You study hard. You are very diligent. I mean, like by sungguh-sungguh in bahasa something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, of course, there is limitation about it, right? But maybe before we continue our discussion, maybe we can listen a commercial break. After this, we will be right back. After this, in Smartfm 101.